and she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to answer a comment that I received. I'm kind of late and responded to this question, so please forgive me. The comment said that they were 6 months too, which is horrible because I'm not 6 months anymore. I'm actually 8 months, and I will be doing the video soon. Okay guys, y'all bear with me. The commenter said that they were 6 months into their journey as well, and that their hair looked similar to mine, and what was my routine. My routine shouldn't even be called a routine. Like, it's easy peasy. So right now, all I'm doing is washing my hair, oil my scalp here and there, not often, and I moisturize my hair every now and then, not often. And that's my routine. I don't do anything. I wish I could give you more steps, but literally that's it. And I wash my hair whenever I want to. I wash my hair once a month, sometimes once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks. But I don't trip, like I don't fuss over my hair. That's the whole point of having freeform locks. My hair lets me know what it needs. After I wash my hair, I will oil my scalp, and I will oil my scalp once my hair is completely dry. Throughout the week, if my hair, like it is right now, is super dry, I will moisturize it. How I moisturize my hair is with a spritz that I made. I do not put creams in my hair. I do not put waxes in my hair. I do not even put conditioner in my hair. You don't want your hair to break off, so you do want to moisturize your hair. That's pretty much my routine. Wash, oil my scalp, moisturize when needed. I hope that helps. I don't know what else a routine could consist of when you have freeform locks. For me anyway, like literally the whole point of having freeform locks is to be free. So it's not much of a routine. I listen to my hair and I go from there, literally. Bars. No, but like, I know what my hair needs. I know what it wants. And most of the time, it just wants to be left alone. I do head massages. Like, I love to massage my scalp. I do this a lot. And that promotes growth. I don't have a nighttime routine. Like, I don't sleep with anything on my head. I have cotton pillowcases, and I go to sleep on that cotton pillowcase. I do have a silk pillowcase that I will sometimes use, but sometimes I don't. Y'all, I know, I wish I had more to say about a routine, but it's easy peasy over here, and I hope that helped. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.